Say hi.
Dominic.
Dominic, are you having fun at the fair? Yeah? You having fun? Did you see the horses? Yeah? And did you see the cows? Yeah?
What about the piggies?
Did you see the pigs? The piggies? Did you see the pigs, Dominic? Yeah? And then you ate a corn dog, right? Was your corn dog good? Yeah, your corn dog was good? Good. Yeah. Well, Dominic, say bye-bye to the camera. Hey, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.